In this tutorial, we will learn about negative indexing in Python. Here, we have a string variable called my_string which contains the text hello, world. We are using negative indexing to access the last character in the string. The index -1 refers to the last character in the string. In this example, we are using negative indexing to access the second to last character in the string. The index -2 refers to the second to last character in the string. Negative indexing can be useful when we want to access characters in a string starting from the end. We can use negative numbers to get single characters in a string by counting from the end of the string. Here, we are using negative indexing to access the third to last character in the string. The index -3 refers to the third to last character in the string. As you can see, negative indexing can be a useful tool for accessing characters in a string. It's important to remember that when using negative indexing, the index starts from -1 and counts backwards from the end of the string. In this example, we are using negative indexing to access the 10th character from the end of the string. The index -10 refers to the 10th character from the end of the string. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand negative indexing in Python. Happy coding!